let us make it a movement to ban these or boycott these idols. Let us spread the word amongst our voters, our constituency members, and let us take it upon ourselves to be the watchdog for the Environment Department. Should you all know of any places where these idols are being sold, please bring it to our attention.
Already mentioned.
Number two, I'm told Pollution Board is constantly monitoring the situation. But should you know of any specific places, quietly give me the address and I will get them raided. No, they are brought from Maharashtra.
Speaker sir, police department भायल्यान हाडटा पळय न्ही थंयसरूच बॅन करपाक लायता आनी मार्केटान जर कोणी दवरले आसत जाल्यार तू हेंका धाडून चॅक करपाक लाय.